Manipur's Kuki Jo frontline organization, the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum, ITLF, have said that they are prepared to create a self-governed separate administration in regions where the tribe predominate. Following months of ethnic turmoil in the northeastern state that has resulted in the thousands of displaced people and the loss of nearly 180 lives, the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum, ITLF, released this statement. It has been over 6 months and nothing has been done regarding our demand for a separate administration from Manipur government. So, if our voice is not heard within a couple of weeks, we will set up our self-government. Irrespective of whether the center recognizes it or not, we will go ahead. As in a state or a union territory, we will set up a self-government that will look into all matters in the Kuki Jo areas. We have to do this since our voice has not been heard, said Muan Tombing, General Secretary of the ITLF. On the other hand, the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum, ITLF, today organized a mass rally against atrocities on Kuki Jo tribals in the Churachandpur district. Tens of thousands of protesters from every corner of the district marched from 3 locations: Kaunpui Public Ground, Mualwaifai Public Ground and Piersomam Public Ground to Tuibong Peace Ground near the Deputy Commissioner's office, shouting slogans against the state government and demanding investigating agencies to probe cases of the atrocities against tribals by the Meitei community. The rally was held to protest the barbaric ways in which innocent Kuki Jo civilians are murdered by mobs and the cherry-picking of cases by police and central investigating agencies like the CBI and NIA to appease the majority Meitei community at the expense of minority tribals.